Welcome to American Roots. Today we're going to walk the garden and we're going to deadhead our flowers and we're going to do a little seed saving. We're going to look at our zinnias, our dahlias, and our marigolds. Won't you join me in the garden today? So I gathered a little glass to put all my seeds in while I'm collecting them from the flowers. So you just come up and after the flower has dried, you're gonna take it and you're just gonna let it dump its seeds from the flower pod right into your cup. And just go around and you can see they've already started dropping. That's how you get volunteers. Birds will take them or the wind. And see that flower is so dry it brought the whole stem. And you just drop the seeds in there. Just do that to all of the flowers that I had, and you can see it's pouring out quite a bit of seeds. So just go around to each one. You can pull the petals off if that makes it easier. And you see how this is green still? It wasn't quite as dry as like a brown one, so you gotta really work it to get the seeds out. Just squeezing it and rotating it. There was an ant on there. I didn't know what he was. So, there you have it. You can harvest your seeds from your dried flowers, just let them dry on the stem and come and harvest them as they dry up. Keep them in a bag and I leave them labeled with the season, the year, and what kind of seed it is. Now, when you're harvesting marigold seeds, you want to find a flower that's dead. Just leave them when they start to die, leave them. And when you find one that's dead, and you want it to be brown, if this is green, you're gonna have a harder time getting the seeds out. So I noticed that when it's brown, that's the best. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up and grab the petals, and if you just pull out of the casing of the flower, and there might even still be a few in there. Let's see. Yeah, see, look at all the ones that were still left in there. Look at them all. You can pull these marigold seeds out of the flower, and now you have marigold seeds to plant. I have a cup that I collect my seeds in. And you can just put your seeds right in there. These are marigold seeds, and here are the dahlia seeds. This is clover. It's clover. We seed for clover. We don't use grass. And I was noticing that some had come up, and I just let it go. And it's funny, these are all dry right here, and I could take those and have some clover seeds. I just don't know if I need to like winnow them maybe to get the fuzz out of the seed. I need to do a little research and find out more about how to harvest the clover seed. I just deadheaded this zinnia and I wanted to see, I've never looked at the seeds, so I wanted to see what it looked like and if I could in fact harvest seeds from this, because I've never done that before. So I just saw it over there dead and I thought, let's see. You don't know if you don't try, so what's the worst that can happen? It was already dead. So let's see. Those look like they might be zinnia seeds. So I'm just pulling them off of the flower. And I think I may. I just discovered it. Well, thanks for joining us as we harvested some seeds on the deadheaded flowers. Next time, we're gonna wait for the sunflowers to dry off. I'm gonna let them stay on the stems. As soon as the petals dry off and the back side of the sunflower is brown, we will do a video and show you how to harvest your sunflower seeds. Thanks for joining us. Until next time.